Hi everyone, I'm gonna show you how to draw the nut. This is my first video where you will get design tutorial and technical information. Please subscribe. So can I come up with more? Before starting the new session or project, always remember to set working directory. I wanted to tell you a little bit about working directory. In a simple word, working directory is the user-friendly platform where you can save or retrieve your work easily. I'm gonna show you how to set a working directory. Just go to the file, manage session, select working directory. You can set the working directory other than a system drive, whatever your choice, but I here to prefer desktop, a DX Creo file. Then go to the new sessions, part solid modeling, that is subtype. I put here name nut01. I don't want here to use default template, so I wanted to use unit so I choose ns part solid and then OK. Here you will get this kind of window. Here you will see the plane, but you could not identify the plane properly. For the simplicity, I have to turn it on the display, tag display. So go to view, turn it on the tag display, sketch, go to sketch view. For the nut, I need to draw the circle having a 20 diameter, so I put here 20 mm. Then so for the circle you need to draw the hexagonal shape, and where you will get this, just simple, go to the palette, choose 6-sided hexagon, then drag it over the circle, just drop there, and I put this side, just I'm here matching the hexagonal shape with circle, just put this side, I put it here 20 mm. That's it. Okay, yeah, that's fine. Okay, now it's simple, go to extrude. You can extrude at any length, but I here to choose 60 mm, which is very much proportionate to the diameter that I choose. Here you can extend extrude length, but that will not look proportionate, so that's fine. 60 mm, it's very good and fine. So here you will get this kind of part, hexagonal shape part. For the circle, select top plane, go to the sketch, take a reference. Okay, then go to the circle, draw the circle which is very much matching to the hexagonal shape. For ensuring this, you need to take a constraint, that is tangent constraint. Select the circle and select the edges one side of the hexagonal. Then once again select the circle and another side. Okay, then okay, then go to the sweep, edit sweep section, sketch view, just draw the loop region here. Here I draw the triangle. Okay, here I put it the angle which is less than 30 degree, that is I put it here 25 degree. Then okay, then subtract, then okay. Now just mirror the whatever you earlier draw exactly from the bottom side. For the mirroring this, you need a mirror plane. Go to the datum plane, choose the top plane and put the length which is very much half, that is 8. Okay, I put it here 8 and then okay. Go to the select sweep and go to the mirror and select the plane and hit it. Okay, so now your nut is ready, but the one portion is remaining, that is thread, and for that you need to take a command, that is helical sweep. Just go to the helical sweep, reference, define the plane. Here I choose a front plane. Okay, then sketch view, take a reference from the ID of the nut, 1 2. Okay, top surface and bottom surface, that's good. Then sketch view. Okay, datum center line, take a datum center line for the helical sweep. Take a line. Okay, that much thread is required, and then go to the okay. Edit the sketch, circle, draw the circle. Here I draw 1.5 mm. Yeah, subtract this. Here I put it 2 mm pitch, then okay. So now the nut is fine. If you want to change its color, go to the view, appearance gallery, select the part and just hit it. Now your nut is ready. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe.